Alright, so I've spent most of the day doing plumber stuff, working on the coach, trying to get the black water tank flushed out, all the solids and crap and funk out of it. And I've got 3.5, almost 4 of those out of it today, and I'm just playing in poop water all day. But while I'm waiting on my hot water heater to heat up some hot water and be ready for a nice warm shower, I'm gonna go do something in the shop. I'm still gonna have to wait for a couple of things for it to be finished, but I got a battery there sitting right here by the Savage. In the front end is all back together. Looky there. Looky there. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get her to fire up. I've already kind of got everything prepped. I just need to hook up the other end of the jumper cables onto that battery and see if it'll spin over. I already got some fuel in the fuel bowl, float bowl in the carburetor, so it should have something to drink. We'll see what she does. Alright, had to make a slight adjustment there, and was getting ready to go ahead and hook that guy up too with a little bit of a boost. But these beefier jumper cables seem to be enough. I went ahead and flicked it over one revolution to see if it had enough. It seems to. We'll see what it does. And let's see. Let me try this. It needs to go that way on a little case doodad. Still recording, still recording. Maybe look at this. Hey, there we go. Still recording. All right. Live. We got headlight. I'm gonna have to pull the choke. Look at there. Savage first start on the new piston. I hear no slappy slap, no ticky tick other than my exhaust leaks, which I expected. Beautiful. Beautiful. It will stop here shortly as it runs out of fuel. But she's alive. The Savage is alive. No smoky smoke out the tailpipe. Look at that. Look at there. Harley Davidson Dyna muffler doing its little pooty poot thing. What is this, Capone? You never heard this one run, have you? What do you got? You got the stick? It's alive! It's alive! Well, there we go.